Hey guys, Ozgrillis here. Today we're going to do a video on how to get your Xbox party chat into your Streamlabs OBS without a capture card. We're going to go over two different ways you can do this, so hopefully you'll be able to get it to work. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first things first about this channel, we do streaming tutorials for Streamlabs OBS, streamelements, how to customize your Twitch channel, how to make your own sub badges and emotes for free, how to upload your own sub badges and emotes. We have podcast episodes from our podcast Talking Corner where we go over growing your stream, other related streaming issues or topics. So, feel free to give us a subscribe. There's plenty of content here that can help you already, and there's going to be a lot more coming. So yeah guys, let's get on with this video. Alright guys, so here we are in the Xbox dashboard. This is the first way you can do it. Now, I've had some reports that it doesn't work for everyone. It works for me. So let's just follow, and if you don't, you can try part 2, which will be right after this. So anyway, so you go to your settings, and you go to general, and then you go to volume and audio output and party chat output here, and you want to make that speakers. So headset and speakers will work as well, but it'll be really loud in your head, and you're probably got a massive headache because I was doing headset and speakers. Speakers will work, so try that. And anyway, let's do some part 2. So in between part 1 and part 2, we're gonna have a little bonus bit, which is I get a lot of questions in the video that I have where to stream your Xbox to your Streamlabs OBS without a capture card is. Then they do that successfully, and then they say, it's working fine, but the stream can't hear me. And that's because you haven't listed an audio input capture device. So you need to go to your sources, add an audio input capture device. Could be a microphone, could be a webcam that has a microphone built in, which most of them do. Just go audio input capture and see what comes up, and then it could be an inbuilt microphone to computer. If you can't afford to get a microphone straight up, which most people can't because you're just starting your journey, so don't go buying one if you don't have to. So just look for what you got in there, and that's how you get audio input capture, so the stream will hear you with the streaming from Xbox to Streamlabs without the capture card. Another way to do it is you can plug a headset. If you're playing like single player games or something like that, you can plug your headset in straight into your PC, and then it would pick up audio input capture, which would be your headset. And then also in part 2, I'll go over the A40s and the mix amp. That way you could use your headset microphone as well for the stream to hear you. So that's just a little bonus in between part 1 and part 2. So I hope that helps, and let's get on to part 2 of getting your Xbox party audio in. So part 2 is if you have a mix amp. So I have the Astro A40s, an older model, but with the mix amp. So what I do is I plug my headset into the mix amp, then I have an aux cord running out of the back of the stream port that goes into my line in on my PC, so that picks up everything what comes into here. So you have your optical cable at the back of your A40 mix amp, which goes to your Xbox, so that'll pick up your Xbox party audio, and then the aux cable will take that to the computer. So you'll have that in, you could add that as an audio input source. So what you do there is you go add new source, audio input source, and it'd be like speakers line in, something along those lines. Just play around with all of your audio input captures until you can start to see it, but that's how I've got mine set up. And with that way as well, you can do an aux cord to your line out of your PC as well, and then you hear on your headset when you have alerts. So you don't have to have the Astro's headset. You can just get the mix amp and then use another headset and plug it in, and you get similar results. So you're not going to be spending the huge amounts of money that the Astros can cost. If you already have them, perfect. So yeah, so that's another way to do it. Like obviously it's not going to be as good as part 1 for everyone, because obviously not everyone has the mix amp or the headset. So definitely go part 1 first before you spend the money. See how that goes. It should work, because it worked for me for a long time before I got this set up. So yeah guys, give it a go. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video with the little bonus audio input and the 2 parts of how to get your Xbox party audio into your stream. If you also are looking at a way to stream from your Xbox to Streamlabs OBS, which a lot of people are doing, so you don't have to buy the Elgato, so you're saving yourself, you know, 200 bucks straight up. Check out this video, it's going to be up here, and also at the end, on the end card, it'll show you how to do it as well. And also if you're trying to get to that Twitch affiliate, there's also a video that's going to be on the end card as well, which is to how to become Twitch affiliated and a few little guidelines on that. So yeah, guys, feel free to check those videos out. If you like this one, give it a like in the comments below. Try and tell me what you've done, what's worked, what hasn't worked. We'll try and narrow it down a bit more, just to make sure that we get it for everyone, because you know you want to have your stream sounding and looking at the best you can for the least amount of money, at least until you can start making some to do improvements. So don't go spending all your money before you even start streaming if you don't have to. So yeah guys, that's all from me for now, and you guys have a great day.